they're kind of like pushing her. They're like, "Ooh, go." Right, yeah.
You're fit now?
YouTube vid. My team's 7 up for 1. Basically, here's what's cool. I make YouTube videos and then I get like free guns off websites. But that's like, you have to subscribe though. But you have to be like 18. Yeah, I know, Jay. You can just but you have to look through the clearance file. Like the clearance file, like if there's like a $216 gun that they haven't clearance, you can click, boom, thanks. Yeah, you know that 18K I was using? This one right here? That was a free gun. Yeah, if you want to look, you can look at it. I really don't care for it. There's like a little side button. Yeah, you see it? Yes. Oh, you serious? Oh, I'll tell you something cool. My friend has a green gas shotgun. Dude, they're cool as crap though. Seriously, they are. Dude, they spray like a real gun. Whoa, man. Yeah, hey, I will say this. You're gonna think it's cool. You know, spring gun? This is the best spring gun you can ever get your hand on. But guess how much it was though? $30, but guess what? It came with 2 mags. Here's the thing, I got it from e-bike. Feel how heavy that is. That's from e-bike.com, if you want to see it. It's like full metal.
I'm not interested in this stuff.
Yeah, it's like full metal. Yeah, it's like, I got that from like e-bike for like $30. If y'all ever get into Airsoft, the best website to shop off of is airridle.com. Don't do e-bike. I mean, even Airsplat. Well, see, technically I can't say anything because obviously YouTube and people watch it. But I will tell you this though, Airsplat. I can't think about it. No, there's no cut. Once you video it. Yeah, you're right. Just do music. Yeah, but see, here's the thing. Airridle.com is like they sell guns just like you know, like very good ones, but they really like they copy guns off of e-bike. It's an import, it's like a $15 gun. And on Airridle.com it's only $100. Put that gun that you want. Yeah, all my gear I got from Airridle. All this. They call this a duffel drop pouch. It can like hold which obviously you can tell pistol mags go here, and then regular mags go in here, and then there's like a flap, and then inside inside that flap is. Oh, really? Yeah. I'm actually trying to get a team together. I'm trying to put a team together. Where? What now?
Carter was here. Talking to me. Because I know you. I thought it was funny. I got to mess up.
You really don't have to have money to start a thing. You don't have to. You don't have to have money. Oh yeah, it's time. Yeah.
You got like $600.
Yeah, I don't. Here's the thing though. I don't have time either. Like no joke. Like I have a lot of school stuff to do. This is just like my spare time.
I'm okay with school, like that
Oh really? Yeah. Everybody's bugging me. This thing could videotape for like 24 hours straight. Like that's it. Yeah, it does. There's actually the YouTube channel. Like you know how like you have another channel where it's pictures. There's actually the YouTube capture card. This thing could videotape for hours. Yeah, no joke. Once I post it, you can actually go on there and watch the video that I just did. I only had like 1 subscriber so far. I need like 5 in order to get a free gun. Everybody's just like, them dudes with the black beard, bro, they're beasts, dude. Like, seriously. Be on whose team? Theirs? Be on their team or?
Like, I was on the team last game, and I was all one, and he was one up.
Yeah, they're fast. That they're called the Elite Force. The Elite Force clan. Basically, they're their own team. But they're actually, here's the funny thing, which I did not even know this. They're actually international clan. Like they go everywhere. They've been to California, Nebraska, Illinois. They've been everywhere shooting. So it's a real, those people in the black are the real deal. My team is kind of like that. Like I've been to Tennessee and Texas. And yes, I have brought everybody with me. But I had to have parents' permission. Because you can't just snatch their kid and go, come on. You know, because then the mom will be something going, you know. Oh, my baby bird.